microscopes.
Beyond this wall, a room of books and mirrors that contain your looks, where characters from A to Z reflect your personality.
It's not working out well. Oh, there come a couple. Not smiling. And then place it in there and clearly something has gone wrong.
All I see are like scribbled lines.
Beyond this hall, a room of books and mirrors that can change your looks, where characters from A to Z reflect your personality.
Beast Slider.
Wonderful. I will save your portrait for the final chapter. But first, we must learn a little bit about the wonderful personality that is you, Sir Hollywoodland. When you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with friends or think it through in your head? Do you see yourself as more sensible or more imaginative?
What do we think I am?
Sensible.
Are you ruled more by your passionate heart?
My passionate heart?
No.
Do you usually like to plan things out?
Plan things out.
Very easy. One more question we must ask.
I speak over language.
Oh, go.
Dedicated responsible. Your sense of duty empowers you to get the job done, even when life stretches you to your limits. You are most alive. This is incredible.
This is incredible.
Have you had it?
I do. This is incredible. That's me.
Whee!